Hey guys, it's Heather Grant, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the new Adaptiv oil and the brand new Adaptiv blend, right? And what they do and kind of the difference in them, because I get a lot of questions saying, okay, what are these for? Do I use them both? What do I do with them? And so I wanted to talk about kind of what they do, what they're formulated for, and how they can help you and support you in your life. So if you are someone who you suffer from stress or anxiety or panic attacks, depression, those types of things, these oils in the supplement is specifically formulated for you. If you deal with anger issues, it can also be really, really helpful. So that's one of the ways we've used it in my home. I have a teenage son who deals with anger issues from time to time, and the Adaptiv supplement has been life-changing for him in being able to remain calm and in control and be able to handle life. And so these have been a huge, huge blessing to my family, and I'm really, really grateful for them. The oil has been a huge blessing to me, and so just really excited to share with you about these supplement and the oil and what they do and what they're for. And so I'm gonna get a little sciencey on you, and I have my notes because you guys know I'm not a science person. I'm like, just tell me what works. But I love these. So the supplement is for your alkali support. So it is your omega-3s and your omega-6s that support you over the long term, right? So you basically, it's a supplement that helps to balance the GABA and the serotonin levels in your brain. And it has things like wild orange and fennel and lavender, and I'm forgetting one, coriander, I think. And basically these essential oils primarily support the amygdala, right? The supplement is to support your amygdala. And so as you're taking that, these supplements are going to reduce stress in the long term, right? So when you're taking these, it's for long-term health. It's to prevent those types of things like depression and panic attacks, right? It's for long-term support and balancing all of those chemicals in our brain. So these are for long-term. Now, in the moment of, let's say you're having a panic attack right now, or you're feeling stressed right now and you need short-term, really quick, immediate results, then that's where this Adaptiv oil comes in. It's completely different formula than the supplements. And this is formulated to specifically affect your limbic system. See, I can't even say it. But basically, as you breathe it in through your nose, it goes straight through your olfactory bulb, and it quickly affects your hypothalamus. So it's a very quick, immediate, I'm stressed, I'm breathing this in, it's going straight through my nose into my brain to affect my hypothalamus in the moment. My behavior, my actions, how I feel, my mood and emotions right then and there. And so it's a short-term oil. It's for help in that moment and an immediate reaction. And so this blend has things like neroli and copaiba and spearmint. Also has wild orange. And so these are things that can support you, and you really need both. You need something that is long-term going to give your brain the omegas and help to balance that serotonin and GABA. You need that supplement for long-term brain health and happiness for mood and emotions. And then you also need something for in the moment. The other product that they have that's really amazing that I really like is the Adaptiv roller. Now this is just the Adaptiv oil, but it's in a roller form with fractionated coconut oil. So it makes it really, really easy to apply. You can stick this in your purse and very discreetly rub it on your wrists or over your heart. I a lot of times will put it on a roller, and then I just kind of rub my ears. I just kind of wipe my nose, and nobody is the wiser that I'm using this essential oil. So this is one that I have in my purse that I carry with me all of the time. So I always have Adaptiv on me, and it just really, really has helped to support me when I'm feeling stressed or when I'm feeling anxious or when I have a child that's feeling that. So that is how we have used the Adaptiv supplements and this Adaptiv oils in my home, in our home. We have loved them. Just really, really enjoying the benefits of that. And then also I wanted to share with you, sorry, I'm going to totally be unprofessional and reach here. But I wanted to share with you a little bit about the emotional side as well, just because I feel like so many times we forget that these oils not only can help very quickly with our physical things that we're dealing with, but I wanted to talk about how they help us on a spiritual, emotional level. And Adaptiv is the oil, Adaptiv is the oil of adaptability, right? They're connected there. And so from an emotional standpoint, when you're feeling anxious, uneasy, worried, self-critical, controlling, or fearful, that's when you would want to use these oils and this supplement, and it can help you to feel reassured, calm, clear, confident, self-accepted, trusting, upheld, and safe. And so I just really, really love that. I love that this is formulated to help us when we're in that anxious state and can really help us to be calm and to have a voice in the moment that we need it. So you guys, love the Adaptiv line. If you haven't tried it already, I highly recommend that you do so. And then as always, you can find me on Facebook at Heather Grant Wellness. I have literally hundreds of tips and tricks and roller blends and DIYs and helpful things so that as you're dealing with health concerns, you know what essential oils you can use. And then also tons of tips on how to use those essential oils. Many of you maybe purchased or invested in essential oils and you have no idea how to use them, and they're sitting on the shelf and they're collecting dust, and that breaks my heart because these oils are amazing, wonderful gifts from God that we can use to benefit ourselves and our family, physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. And I'm here to teach you how to do that. So follow me on Facebook at Heather Grant Wellness, or as always, of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow my YouTube videos. I have lots of playlists that are specifically formulated for you to help you and to figure out these essential oils and how they can benefit your life. Everyone, love y'all. Have an awesome day. Bye.